DeLeon Springs State Park. DeLeon Springs State Park and the Sugar Mill Pancake House. There's an hour wait this morning. It is Sunday, February 7th. Interesting little thing here. You make pancakes at the table. I know other places do this too. This is a very popular location for that. Let's check out the park while we're here and waiting.
This is the lagoon area. We call this DeLeon Springs Lagoon. But the water that we're on and going to be on is all part of the St. Johns River system. Now that river is actually 12 miles in front of us. And it's flowing from left to right, south to north on its way to Jacksonville in the Atlantic Ocean. And it's filling all of this up with river water as it goes by. We get a little bit of a help from 22 million gallons a day of spring water. There's an alligator right on the end of that little spit.
This guy?
No, the alligator.
Oh.
Young juvenile.
There he is.
He's licking his lips. He's hungry.
They seldom hit birds. Very seldom do they eat a bird. Now, if you're interested, you can measure him from right here by looking at the nose. We'll be seeing him up close here in a minute. 3,000 pounds per square inch crushing power in the jaws. That's right through a turtle shell.
The bottom of your mouth?
That's Mr. and Mrs. Myrtle the turtle and family.
That looks like an alligator.
Little blue hair. That's the one we're looking for. That is a good sized gator. That's a good 12-footer. You know what those bumps are for on his back?
Scaring the hell out of me.
First off, they're called scute, S-C-U-T-E, and secondly, they're full of capillaries and blood vessels covered by black skin. The sun beats down on that. The black skin absorbs it. The heat goes into the blood vessels and capillaries, transfers to the system that makes him active. If he wasn't that way, he wouldn't be active like right now. He's not too interested.
Heading back over to the Sugar Mill Pancake House. Is it the Sugar Mill? The old Spanish Mill Pancake House. So they told us it was an hour wait for pancakes, and that if we took the boat ride, they would hold our spot. So let's go see how that worked out. So the Pancake House was okay, but in the end I just felt like I was paying 3 times the price for a cheap breakfast to cook it myself. It was kind of fun though. What'd you think?
It was fun.
All right.
So I don't know if the camera is going to do this tree justice, but this is the largest cypress tree I've ever seen. It's got to be 7 feet, maybe 8 across the base. Very interesting. So this was Monkey Island when the park was open. So that's DeLeon Springs behind us. But in front of me is the St. Johns River. The watercolor from the St. Johns River immediately goes darker, which is a lot more river water than spring water at this point. Look at these trees. Gorgeous oaks. Okay, that was it. DeLeon Springs State Park. Nice little diversion for a day. Beautiful little hiking trail. Nice place to eat.